$200 billion of revenue, $60 billion of profit, and then fired 8,000 people. Not because they were struggling, because they found something more profitable than people. Let's understand what Meta is exactly doing, and why May 20th, 2026 is a date every person in tech should know, and why every major company is about to follow. Most people will not see it coming. May 20th, Meta begins cutting 8,000 employees, which means 10% of its global workforce gone. More cuts planned for the second half of 2026. Since 2022, Zuckerberg would have eliminated 46,000 jobs from a company printing $60 billion in profit annually. This is not survival. This is a choice, and it is being made. So, where is the money going? $135 billion. That is Meta's 2026 AI spending, twice what it spent in 2025, more than the entire GDP of Hungary spent in a single year. The logic is brutal. AI infrastructure costs once, and people, they cost every month. Now, who exactly is being fired? Reality Labs, Facebook's social division, sales, global operations, and recruiting desks. The department responsible for hiring humans being eliminated, because the plan no longer involves hiring as many humans. AI agents do not sleep, do not take holidays, and do not ask for raises. Here is the part that almost no one is covering. Zuckerberg publicly argued AI will force companies to hire more people. He said that while cutting 10% of his workforce, and planning to cut 10% more. 3.5 billion people use Meta every day, and now not one of them has a number to call when something goes wrong. And the reality is, it's not just Meta. Meta is not alone. Amazon, 30,000 white-collar jobs cut. Block, nearly half its staff eliminated in February. Layoffs.fyi, a layoff tracker, reports 73,000 jobs lost in 4 months alone from profitable companies. Companies that could afford every single one of those people. They chose not to keep them. The stock market truth, and the ugliest truth. When Block fired half its staff, its stock jumped 25% in a single day. The market rewarded mass layoffs with a surge in value. Every CEO in America saw that number and started asking their CFO the same question. How many people can we replace? 8,000 people. A notification on May 20th. Not because their work was bad, not because the company was failing, but because an algorithm is cheaper. They built the platforms 3.5 billion people use daily. They will receive severance. They will be thanked. And they will be replaced by a system that never takes a day off. Meta made $60 billion in profit and decided that was not enough. This is the defining question of our generation. When machines outperform people, who does the prosperity belong to? Right now, the answer is clear. It belongs to the shareholders. The people who built the platform are being shown the door. The people who own it watched their investment grow. This is not the future. This is the 20th of May, 2026. We give you the unbiased data, the facts, and the numbers the press releases do not show. If this changes how you see the app you opened this morning, share it with someone who needs to know. Subscribe to Reality Check, because this story is not over.